So this rejection off this 15-minute and the SMT at the highs with buy side being swept. Barely any low resistance getting generated here. I am going to fade this 1 minute. I do think the draw is still higher, potentially to these highs, but the draw could also be lower to these lows. So we'll see. So we can see a short here, coming off CE of the 4-hour wick. ES also tapped the 4-hour fair value gap. Only issue with this is that the 4-minute inverse, or 4-minute fair value gap, is right below this. So that's the only problem I have with it. It'd be a pretty quick break even. The 4-minute hasn't closed yet. 5 minutes about in 1 minute. If the close here is good, I would take this. So I'm the short here. Break even's gonna be this 5-minute right here. I think we could get a push lower. At 10 a.m. open, put an SMT. So I'm looking for that flush down. Get that rebalance off the CE of the 4-hour.
Order filled.
Alright, took a hefty loss there. Was hoping to get that 4-minute inversion to get a rebalance to 5-minute. Clearly couldn't get that. Probably would be done for the day. So looking back at it, overall idea was right. I mean, like the idea to rebalance the leg, because we pumped up a lot of points, about 166 from open. So the overall idea to rebalance the leg was correct, and the key level that I saw giving that rebalance was the CE of the wick, especially because, like I said, we were inside of this 4-hour at the time of the trade. Yeah, about right here. Let me just mark this out. Still, at the end of the day, we respected that 4-hour on ES. Yeah, so it was still here. We were still within it, and then the inversion occurred on this candle. See this one right here. Yeah, so this was still, yeah, the candle was still active. So I saw it as a, let's see, where's 10 a.m. here? Opens, chops up a little bit. We get that manipulation. We already tapped the 4-hour. We get that SMT, get that 4-minute inverse. You know, was hoping to see a rebalance and then continue higher towards buy side. Because if we were going to continue higher, we would tap into this 5-minute down here. We would tap into this 5-minute down here. But I just got chopped up. We got that. We generated low resistance liquidity down here. Remanipulated the highs, and then there was this 2-minute inversion that I saw, but Just wasn't gonna take it. Got this 2-minute inverse, and it honestly played out. It was at 10:30, literally 10:30 to this 15-minute. Good loss in my opinion. A lot more discretionary since there wasn't a gap. But like I said, traded with C the week before. Overall context was there, in my opinion. And overall inversion wasn't horrible. It's pretty good inversion, and the lower time frame structure did not look too bad at the moment as well. We got that fair value gap here. We had this order block here, change in state, good unfilled gaps. Super unfortunate that I miscalculated risk, so I lost double than intended. I was intending like around 215 loss, or I mean not 215, 250 risk, but ended up doubling that. Good thing it was, or luckily it was a little bit under. Ended up becoming a 450 loss instead of a 250 loss, but you know, it happens. That's pretty much it. Peace.